The world's most powered web performance plugin, WP Rocket. How much does this plugin improve the performance of your site? Does this plugin really improve the speed of the site? The most important improvement is needed on mobile devices because majority percent of traffic is coming on mobile devices. Hence, the improvement is required on mobile devices and not on desktop. So without wasting time, first I will show you the performances of the site where I will install the plugin. I am on page speeds insights, and here you can see the reading on mobile devices. The overall performance is only 40. The reason for installing this plugin on my site is because I want to see if I can improve the speed on mobile devices. And also have a look at the overall categories, all in red. Let's check on desktop. It's 93, the overall performance. Next, we will check in GT metrics as well. Here everything is green, meaning everything is fine. Below, if you look here, the site is fully loading in 3.1 seconds. And see the pricing of the plugin. Well, more visitors, better SEO and more conversions. When you click on Get the Plugin, you are taken to see their pricing. Well, looks very costly for unlimited period. Leave the pricing there for the moment. We will see first how much it will help my site to improve the speed on mobile devices. First, we will install the plugin. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New. Click on Upload Plugin and then here click on Choose File. Click on Install Now. Now click on Activate the plugin. Now first we will recheck the performance in GT metrics. Let's take a new link so that we can compare the readings one by one and the differences. Let me take a fresh link from here and paste it here. Here you can see the differences. In fact, very little difference, that is on the minus side at the moment. Let's check the differences on full load time. The new one is showing 1.2 seconds and the old reading was 3.1 seconds. So there is instant improvement. Now we will check on page speed insight and on a new link. See, our concern or our focus is only on mobile devices. Keep that in mind. Now, 2 green lights, and before we had only 1. Improvement on speed index. Before the speed index was very high, 11.1 seconds. The performance is much better. That's 67 and the old one was 40. You can also see some changes in other fields as well. Much improvement on speed index and little bit here and there. Now we will see after making some settings, will there be further improvement? Go to Settings and click on WP Rocket. Let's first work on caching. Enable that. Ensure end user cache. Make sure that this one is ticked. Cache lifespan. Leave this for 10 hours. If you see issues like the speed of your site is gone up, then you can always come back here on this setting and lower the hours from 10 to below. Click on Save Changes. Now we will go to File Optimization. Click on Minify CSS files. This option helps to reduce the white spaces and comments. In short, reduces the file size. Click on that, then ignore this warning because it will never make any issues on your site. But remember, if it does, you can simply uninstall the plugin and then your site will be normal. Other thing is, again, you can install the plugin and ignore this setting. Next, go down and click on Optimize CSS Delivery. This is an important setting for any site because it will reduce the render blocking time. Go down below, Minify JavaScript files. Click on that and then save. If you find any issues during the installation, click on the Restore option. So, save it. Let me check the site if it is working fine. Yes, everything is fine so far. Great going. Next setting, another important settings. Click on Media Lazy Load. Click on the Enable for Images. Then click on Enable for iframes and videos. This setting is ideal if you have many videos in your site or on your site. Next, go down. Click on Image Dimensions. This setting helps to set correct image sizes in case you have incorrect dimensions. Next, go down and here enable WEBP caching. I will not enable this option because I have already have a separate plugin, but you should enable it. Also, I have made a video on how to convert WebP pages for free. Watch that video. Amazing site for converting images. We save the settings. Next setting, preload. Activate preloading. Activate the sitemap. It will automatically detect your sitemap, hence nothing to worry. You can click. In case you wish to submit sitemap, you should paste the URL here. Go down and save your settings. Next settings, advanced rules and database settings. Do leave them there as nothing much is required here. If you require, occasionally use these options to clean up the caches. So, here we will end up with the settings. Now, let's see what further improvement this plugin has made. Let's open a new link in Page Speed Insight. And let's analyze for the last time. Here you can see further improvement. Let me arrange this way. The performance has jumped to 89. So it's 89 and on desktop it's 99. If we click on desktop, it's all green now. Now let's compare the differences on the mobile, which is rather more important. Let's start with the old reading. You can see just one green and rest all red. The first reading was 40. After installing the plugin, without making the setting, it went to 67. And after doing the setting, it reached to 89. Let's go back again to first reading and check the metrics. The first metrics, the second metrics, and then the third metrics. You can see the improvements here clearly. Now let's go down and check the opportunities. Eliminate render blocking, 0.85 seconds. Let's check the second one. 1.25 seconds. And now the first one, 2.29 seconds. Have a look at one more time. This is great improvement. Now let's check one more time on GT Metrics on a new link. Well, the results are here. I don't expect much changes here. But what we need to check is the difference in site loading time. Let's check that. The first reading, it showed 3.1 seconds. The second reading showed 1.2 seconds. And the third reading showed 1.1 seconds. Well, my note of advice before I say goodbye. The final results will vary from theme to theme, hence don't expect the same results. But certainly this plugin helps. So here I am saying goodbye, and I'm not forcing you to like my video or hit that subscription button because it's your choice, baby. Bye bye and take care.